How to turn off autofile payment forms on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. After this, when your Instagram is opening, as you see, you go here down and open your profile, then go to this three line and click, then go to settings and click, then go to account and click again, and then go to browser settings and go to the autofile payment forms. You go to the right and you click here to turn off this option like that. And that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and if you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you next video.